Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Engineer. Today I will show you how to get the last Braavos NFT, and I will also add this video to our NFT playlist because I believe owning all 5 of Braavos NFTs will bring very valuable advantages in the future. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. Now let's just jump straight into our video. As you know, we've been showing you guys Braavos and Argent Starknet NFTs for a while now. Braavos just announced their last, which is the 5th NFT. On their Twitter account, they keep saying owning all 5 NFTs will be extra valuable in the future. I'm hoping when they launch their token, we, as the owners of all 5 NFTs, will get an airdrop from Braavos. This is also why I'm putting this video in our NFT tutorial playlist, because owning an NFT isn't just owning an art piece. It usually brings so many more perks with it. To give another example, Memeland, the NFT project from 9gag, announced the launch of their coin, and they gave waitlist codes of the sale of their token to the Captains and Potatoes NFT owners. As you know, Captains and Potatoes NFT collections, they also belong to 9gag. This means owning an NFT brought them a chance to buy a new token that will make them profit. So owning valuable and high quality NFTs doesn't just make you an NFT owner. It brings in so many more perks with it. This is actually an important lesson in the NFT world. Don't just buy an NFT to be an owner of an NFT. Think about the values and other perks that NFT will bring and then decide if you want to buy or not. Now, in order to get the last Braavos NFT, you need to deposit some funds to your Braavos wallet using one of these protocols. You can find these protocols when you click on deposit. As you can see, if I click on deposit, these protocols show up. You need to use one of these protocols to deposit any amount of money. It can be Ethereum, it can be USDT, USDC, it doesn't matter. And that way you will be eligible to mint the 5th NFT. Now, this event started today and it will probably last for a week. The earlier you make the transactions, the better. We will also make a separate video for the minting phase of the 5th NFT. And also, if you have any questions regarding our NFT tutorial playlist or Starknet NFTs, you can ask us in the comments or also in our Telegram community global channel. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And with that said, I will see you guys in our next videos.